Truth is, I thought it mattered. I thought that music mattered. But does it, bollocks? Not compared to how people matter.
Hey!
Who? Hey. Who is it, Lloyd or Floyd?
Wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Sure. Alright. My ears are bleeding. That hurt.
Hey!
No!
What the hell?
What is that, your printer or something? Don't do it again.
That wasn't even me, I was AFK.
Yeah, I know it wasn't you. Some guy is doing it, telling him not to do it because it hurts the ears. Where are you?
I'm interaction. Just arrived.
Alright. I'm just about in do a tar.
I can pretty much take on every elite except
Let's leave the channel.
What should I make? Alliance or Night Elf for what?
Make Alliance human.
Okay, I'm making human.
Hey!
Hi.
Hey.
Wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world?
No, get out of the room.
Don't do it.
Get out of the channel.
Where's the mute button?